Annyeonghaseyo. As your name, thank you for giving me allowance to buy new socks. As your name, kamsahamnida. Thank you for giving me. Kamsahamnida. Bye bye.
Yo, HJ name, thank you so much for my eggs. Kamsahamnida. Bye bye. Kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo. We Paranim pay us 100 pesos to buy a milk tea. We Paranim kamsahamnida to buy a milk tea. Bye bye. Kamsahamnida.
Namyoongyuni, annyeonghaseyo, good morning. So, this is my school supplies, and I also buy plates for my cooking, and also hairnet. Namyoongyuni, kamsahamnida. Bye bye.
Yung nasa sa calendar, ma-order na akong school supplies importante sa eskwelahan. Yay, na yung annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye, kamsahamnida for my school supplies. Important. Annyeonghaseyo. Ihujinim, thank you for the rice and egg and also milk. Bye-bye, kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo. Thank you for giving me chokes to go with Paranim, and thank you for giving me Kantanim 200, and thank you for giving me Sajehonim 100, and thank you for giving me Viparanim 100. Kamsahamnida. Bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo. Praksochinim, Handonim, and Viparanim, thank you for giving me a cash. I buy PE school uniform. Kamsahamnida. Bye bye.
Teacher Sunil. So how are you? Good, huh? So are you still cleaning together with your grandmother?
Yes, teacher.
Asa man? Sa Sunbury? Or ato sa Skina Market? Sunbury. Also at the market. So, when will you do the cleaning? Kanos amang mo tiglimpyo? Every Friday. So, only one day a week. So, once a week are day. Okay, so, are you happy? Kaya naman, you will get allowance from cleaning. Oh, very good. Okay, so, now, you are joining Girl Scout. Okay, so you're joining Girl Scout, but since it requires uniform, am I right?
Yes, teacher.
So you will be purchasing a Girl Scout uniform. But, di ba kuan ati, there are two uniforms, the type A and type B, as what I remember.
Ano kay type B?
Ana na kay type B, so you will only have type A. Okay, so since I remember that there are two uniforms, okay? So you will buy only type A.
Yes, teacher.
So why do you have type B?
Kato puncher.
Elementary?
Tagaan ko ni Changunin.
Tagaan ka ni Changunin. So, you both type B uniform for Girl Scout. Okay, so now you will be only buying type A. So, how much does it cost? 800 pesos. Okay, so how about there is other fee or only 800? Napakalain ba yun nun? Wala na?
Ito, answer.
Ano saman?
70.
74?
Transportation charge.
Registration fee? Okay, so you will have 70 pesos for your registration fee. So, here is your 800 pesos for type A uniform. So, that is for your type A uniform. And then, for your registration fee, 70 kati. Okay, so you will get IDs from that or sa man? Only mo register if you will join. Okay, so I will be giving you 100 ha, since we do not have coins. Okay? So, 100 pesos. And you have, ipadot 800, ay 900.
500, 600, 700, 800, 900.
Okay, so you will take a video or picture ha when you already purchase the uniform. Okay? Sige.
Si Changunin, gigam na rin sa amin ha.
Ate, gipaningot ka ate. Ano man? Did you run? Oh, you just played, no? Nagduwa ka gikan? Okay, sige. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kuya Bri. So, good morning. So, are you done with your assignment? It's already Friday. Okay, so let me see your assignment. Ay, palug ko kuha lang ka. So, how many pieces is this one?
30.
30, okay. Puy sa kamot. Does your hand hurt? Okay, so it's 30 pieces. So I will be checking this one later on. But first, I will be going to retest you. Ready na?
Yes.
Oh, so wala nagikulbaan. Don't be nervous, okay?
Yes.
Why? It's because even if you know the answer, if you are nervous, then you will be unsa man? Mahimo na kang unsa man? Ka-cute mo Kuya Brian, oy. Ma-brainwash na ka, okay? So, be confident and always listen carefully to the question. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Sige. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 7 times 4.
28.
2 times 6.
12.
9 times 5.
45.
6 times 7.
42.
8 times 4.
32.
9 times 6.
54.
3 times 4.
12.
6 times 5.
30.
7 times 8.
56.
3 times 7.
21.
9 times 4.
36.
Okay, you really practice. Okay, so Kuya Brian, your assignment may be the lesson for you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
As to always practice and master multiplication even though there is no life. Okay? So every day you must master the multiplication. It's because it is not just for the study room. You can use it on your everyday living. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Kasabot? O magamit na nimo. It could be at your school, at the market, or even at your business or sari store of your mother. Right? Okay, so always practice, ha?
Yes, sir.
And be confident. Okay? Fighting!
Bye.
Bye-bye!
So karon kay magluto ko og noodles. So karon kay ako noodles kay ako butangan og malunggay og egg. Sa karon magsugod nako.
Yeah.
Sabi na.
So karon kay ako na ning ilunod sa kaldero.
Di magtutuwad. Tarong ra. Mana?